So basically this is the triangle right, and as you can see that this is the border left, this is the border top, and this is the border bottom. But there is no border right, and this is the border left, right? So all the color is applied from the left side and not from the right side. So we'll apply all the color from the left side, right? So first we'll make a boilerplate, and after that we'll give the title to triangle right, and we'll link to right.css to style it well, and we'll make a div of try hyphen right. This is the div, and let's go live. Okay, and after that we'll go to right.css and we'll target our try right, and inside this we'll set the width to 0, we'll set the height to 0, and we'll do border left. Remember, this is border left, and inside this we'll set 100 pixels solid. Let's set it for olive green or olive, right? And we'll do it for border top 50 pixels solid and transparent, because we don't want any kind of color in border top or border left, otherwise the triangle will not look good. Obviously it will not be a triangle. And we'll set the border bottom to 50 pixels solid and transparent once again. Let's save this and let's see what's the result. Okay, then we are perfectly done with our triangle right. As you can see, there is almost the same things. You can just set it like, you can just do it for 200 pixels if you want. Okay, you can set it for 200 pixels, and this will be 100 pixels, and this will be 100 pixels. So this will be bigger than, like, this will be double of that.